Hey everyone, welcome back to Boater USA. We've got a good one for you today. We're going to be taking a look at the HCB 65 Estrella, one of the largest center consoles in the world. So let's take a look at the specs for this beast. First, it's got an overall length of 65 feet, a beam of 16 feet, and it weighs 60,000 pounds. Now, HCB says it has no max horsepower, but it can be equipped with 6 Mercury 600 V12s. To fuel those beasts, it has a fuel tank capacity of 1,730 gallons, a freshwater capacity of 120 gallons, and it has two 80-gallon live wells. Draft is 36 inches with the engines up and 48 with the engines down. It has an 18-degree dead rise, and of course, this boat is yacht certified. So the minute you step through the side entry door, you get a feeling of how massive this boat truly is. That 16-foot beam, and you can tell it. We get a good look at the 6 custom-painted Mercury Verados on the back of this. Now this is one bench seat, but it has been divided up into 4 individual seats. You can see you have plenty of open cockpit space. This one does have the rocket launcher, the teak rocket launcher as well, and this one has the summer kitchen setup. So that includes a grill, a sink, refrigerators underneath, and plenty of storage, huge countertop. So it does have that rocket launcher and plenty of rod holders on this boat, but this boat is a pure entertainment machine. So before we move any further, just check out the size of this hardtop. It has 10 rocket launchers across it and room for more. This gives you a sense of how big this boat truly is. And you also notice this rear back windshield to protect and enclose this helm area. For seating, this one has the U-shaped couch with the actuating table. So you can drop that down, get it out of your way, or you can sit comfortably, have a little meal there. Now at the helm, it's 5 across seating, but it's actually on 3 different platforms. So you have your center captain's chair, has its own support, and then 2 dual sets of chairs on port and starboard side. As you might expect, this boat has a huge dash area. You can fit 3 24-inch Garmin MFDs on this dash. And what you're going to notice is it's very sleek and not many buttons, not much going on around here. It's because it's all digital. So you have your digital switching and everything is digital to keep it very sleek, very clean look. I mean, of course, you have this beautiful teak helm pod with the teak steering wheel, joystick, and bow thruster controls, because let's face it, this is a beast to maneuver. And then you have this full massive glass enclosure. Now let's move to the bow. It is a little bit of a walk because this is a 65-foot boat. So the bow has full wraparound seating with an actuated center table, so you can make this a full sun pad or drop it down, make it a table, or get it out of the way. This boat does have a forward lounger, and it is big, but it's meant for only 2, maybe 3 people to make room for the cabin area that's underneath, which is where we're headed into now. And you enter from the side here. All right, stepping into the cabin, just take a look at the quality and craftsmanship that goes into this. Look at the teak accents throughout. I mean, it's full teak almost. You have this little couch area right as you walk in. It doubles as a dining area. TV mounted straight across from it, a little kitchenette, and back, this is toward the front of the boat, toward the bow. You have your main berth area, so private. You can close that off. Again, look at all this teak throughout. And at the rear of the cabin, this is where your head area is. It's a full bathroom, really. You have a full stand-up shower, glass door, mirror, freshwater sink, and head area. I mean, this is a full bathroom on a center console boat. It's incredible to see. Now, this whole area is air-conditioned, so you can come in here, cool off, relax. It's a great place to just get out of the elements. It's amazing to see how far center consoles have come, where you have HCB, this 65-footer. It's just a beast of a boat. Now you're probably asking yourself, how much does this boat cost? It has a base price of about $4.8 to $4.9 million. Thank y'all for coming along on this walkthrough of the HCB 65 Estrella. It's truly an incredible boat. And if you want to learn more, head over to boaterusa.com. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. Follow us on our social media pages, and we'll see you on the next one.